Quick, rich ham, pumpkin, split pea soup. Wow. Wow, look here. Look at this. Hello again, this is Aunty Rose's kitchen. Today I'm gonna make a wonderful soup. You have your Christmas ham, you cut off some of the ham off the bones and you can make a lovely soup. Here I cut off some of the ham in chunks. As you can see, the pumpkin and the split peas is already cooked. And I'm gonna scrape the chunks of lovely ham here in the soup. Oh my God, you can smell it. Wow! Oh, you smell that split peas, the real fresh pumpkin. You see that? The split peas. This is a rich, nutritious soup. Okay? Give it a little more stirring. Wonderful, delicious ham, split peas, pumpkin soup. Okay? You're gonna cover, let's simmer for a little while, just 5 minutes, because remember, the ham was already cooked, and as I told you, I cooked the split peas and the pumpkin already. This is a pumpkin flavored soup mix that was made in Jamaica by Grace Manufacturer. As most of you can know, I'm from Jamaica also. So I also like to promote things from other countries. Jamaica is included. As a Jamaican, I use this very, very often because what this does, this is what gives the flavor to any soup. If you are gonna make chicken pumpkin soup, you can use this. I also have the chicken flavor. So I promote Jamaica tonight. All in all, you have to do, just cut the top here. And you're gonna need around just this portion. You don't have to use all of it one time. Just this portion here. As you can see, the richness in what they have in this packet. And it says pumpkin flavor soup mix, home style. And wow, look at that soup. That look like Aunty Rose's soup also. You see that? It was made by Grace Kennedy, Kingston, Jamaica. I'm gonna put the mix right here in the soup. And you are gonna stir. Oh my Lord. This only take a few minutes now because what it does, it dissolved already. So I'm just gonna give the noodle just a little, few more minutes, okay, to cook. So you would stir, and of course, yet you would cover it. Okay, folks, as I told you, quick soup, quick, rich ham, pumpkin, split pea soup. Wow. Wow, look here. Look at this. Wow. Look at the richness. Ham, pre-cooked, split peas, pumpkin, and the soup mix. Wow, look at this. Now it is like maybe 17 degrees outside. So what could be better than a bowl of soup? Wow, the aroma. Let me taste my soup. Oh my God. Soup, you taste good. Yes, Rose's Kitchen. Oh my God. This will warm up any stomach. Look at the richness. Look at the split pea soup. Pumpkin, ham, split peas, Grace pumpkin mix. 16 degree outside. This would warm up anybody's stomach. Look at it. This is coming from Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Please subscribe. I want to thank you all again for staying with Aunty Rose's Kitchen. And I want to thank you very, very much. You know, I forget to tell you, all this soup gives energy. I was watching Energy Man. Oh my God, that guy, he has so much energy. I must recommend my soup to him whenever if I can reach out to him again, I'm gonna leave him a comment. energy, man. This soup is energy. Please hit the bell and subscribe to Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Bye-bye. Please subscribe and leave your comments. And I thank you very, very much. And this is coming from Aunty Rose's Kitchen. Wow.